Hello. Uh, something happened. A little funny. Well, water pipes. Well, mine exploded. It just went, and then there's just this huge wave of water. If the light didn't get too bad, I will show you, hopefully. Well, the light's bad, and I have to look up for my dog's mines. Alright, well, as you can see, huge puddle. I don't know if you can feel it. You can. It's really deep. Really dangerous. Just put my tablet like a foot away from it. Right here. This was like shooting water out. This thing. And this, as you can see, there's a hole in it. Maybe you can see, but you can't. Probably can't. I said that last episode, but you saw. Looks like there's like a stab marking in it. There's a stab in it or something. And then over here, this thing was exploding with water. So a lot of things were exploding. And then my dog just got a shower because of all the water explosions. Oh yeah, and the reason why I was so cautious about dog mines is because I'm bare feet right now. So yeah, that would have been bad. Man, now I feel how it feels to have a selfie. Yeah, no friends to do selfies. I'm kidding. I just don't have an iPhone. Or any friends on my, I also don't have any friends on my Gmail because I just got it, so, actually, I'll just tell you my Gmail. It's ConnorStarlord05 at gmail.com. Hey, ConnorStarlord05, at symbol, gmail.com, okay? Alright, all spaced together, obviously. So, yeah. And nobody turns anything on. Yeah, she's just talking about Mom's just talking about the water thing. So just that. I mean, I do have, because of my I don't have an iPhone, so you can't call me, so I can't get the YouTube. I don't have the not have an iPhone.
Verification.
Fine. I do not have an iPhone, so I cannot get texts for the verification. Wow, I do not know English today. About the YouTube thing. So I guess my videos are only going to be 15 minutes long or less. What's really cool is my other videos, like it was 2 of them in a row were exactly like 2 minutes 17 seconds. Exactly. Well, I guess this is one of my longer videos. Just, I guess, vlog. If you're freaking out, which you probably aren't, because my most popular video only has 12 views, so you're probably not freaking out. But so I can't really say people were asking me or anything, and I just forgot what I was about to say. Alright, well, I forgot what I was about to say. I know piano. I'll show you. I'll show you my piano skills. I'll just show you my piano skills. know, it's kind of a long song. If you know Gravity Falls, well, you probably know that song. But yeah. My brother's guitar thing. Can't see that. Here you go. That's a better look at it. Looks like a guitar, a bottle opener, and oh no, I've turned to VAT 19. Everything is a bottle opener. But yeah, yeah. Well, my English is just like, it's going, no, yeah. Well, David, I congratulate you. Last video, you were like, the rice gum sucks, I look like a demon, but now you're actually making good comments. I congratulate you. Yeah.
Connor, last night was so funny. Rose was like, I love you, Connor, I'm sorry, and you're just like, whatever. And then she was just like, Mom, Connor's being mean. Like, I didn't even see that, but I was just in the other room and I just hear, Connor, I love you, I'm sorry. Whatever.
This is the cat. Her name is Sabrina.
My cat.
This is David. His name is David.
They couldn't see me.
This is David. His name is David. He's also my pet, David.
Please don't leave comments calling me Goldilocks.
Hashtag Goldilocks.
Shut up.
Hashtag Goldilocks.
Okay, well, whatever.
Fine then.
I'm not inspired by my haircut by Tanner Brungart. I did it before him.
Illuminati confirmed. No, don't worry, David. I won't do hashtag Goldilocks. I'll do hashtag Donald Trump. So do hashtag Donald Trump. Yeah.
No, it's cool.
Oh yeah, he does like Miley Cyrus.
No, I don't.
Okay, so also hashtag Miley Cyrus. Hashtag
Get out of our room.
Hashtag just get out of the room. Everything you say will be used in hashtags against you.
Okay, hashtag policeman.
Hashtag okay, hashtag policeman. Hashtag Jesus. Hashtag ha 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 ha. Hashtag well, if you do all of those, if you actually do all those hashtags, you are a legend. Same thing if you subscribe and like and share and sorry to say subscribe. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Yeah. Well,